In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can buy Bitcoin in Trust Wallet. So then to buy Bitcoin in Trust Wallet, it's a very simple procedure. All you have to do is make sure that your account is verified and you're connected to an internet service, or that you've already added a payment method. Now then, to begin with, first of all, log into your Trust Wallet account, enter in your credential. That's going to direct you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Right on this page, go ahead and select the buy button since you're buying Bitcoin. So go ahead and select Bitcoin from the list and enter in the exact amount of Bitcoin that you wish to buy. Also, you need to make sure that you've already added a payment method as mentioned earlier, and then click on buy, which is located right at the bottom. Next, it's going to direct you to some sort of statement page where you need to go through it. There you'll be able to see all of the notification or the statements, such as the amount of currency that you're spending in order to buy crypto or Coinbase or Bitcoin, and then exact amount of Bitcoin that you'll be receiving and all sort of details. So go through it, and that's basically how you can buy Bitcoin in Trust Wallet. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.